Let's take a look at the newest member of the Buick SUV family, the beautiful new 2021 Envision. It is striking styling which combines the expressiveness of a car with the practicality of an SUV, plus intuitive technologies and premium touches that are sure to be a hit with customers. The 2021 Envision strengthens Buick's SUV position by helping the brand to bookend the compact SUV segment with two new vehicles, the Encore GX on the smaller end and the Envision on the upper end. Given that the compact SUV segment is one of the fastest growing in the industry, we were determined that the new Envision came out of the gate strong. The 2021 Envision will not only offer buyers style and refinement, but for the first time, the Envision will also offer three distinct personas, including a new sport touring package and the Avenir trim, the brand's ultimate expression of refinement. As it joins the Buick SUV portfolio, we believe the new 2021 Buick Envision is a perfect fit for today's premium SUV buyers. Inside and out, the 2021 Envision was designed to celebrate the highest standards of Buick design, engineering, and technology.
The new Envision design is full of character, and we believe that it will resonate with premium SUV customers. Now, for the first time, the Envision will also be available in Buick's successful Avenir trim, which provides a beautifully elevated level of refinement brought to life with exclusive features and design cues. The exterior of the Avenir has distinctive touches like an exclusive grille design and finish. It also features stunning 20-inch pearl nickel wheels, clear tail lamps with swipe-style turn signal sequence, and a signature rich garnet paint option. The Avenir interior is also highly refined, with features like a diamond perforated quilting on the seats, contrast stitching designed to resemble a French seam, and textured wood details on the door panels. We're very proud of the Envision and the statement it makes. In its Avenir trim, it's beautiful and captivating from every angle.
For today's customers, the 2021 Buick Envision's long list of safety and driver assistance technologies will add up to real confidence on the road. As part of Buick's ongoing commitment to safety, the 2021 Envision will offer 9 standard safety features and intuitive advanced driver assistance technologies on all of its models through Buick Driver Confidence Plus. These features include automatic emergency braking, following distance indicator, forward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, IntelliBeam headlamps, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, and rear park assist. Enabled by its new vehicle intelligence platform, the Envision will also offer available safety and driver assistance technologies that are important for today's SUV buyers, such as enhanced automatic parking assist, enhanced automatic emergency braking, HD surround vision, head-up display, rear camera mirror, front park assist, and adaptive cruise control. The 2021 Envision's advanced infotainment and connectivity features are simple and convenient for a driver to use, elevating the driving experience. The 2021 Envision will have Buick's first available 10.2-inch diagonal touchscreen infotainment system, with or without navigation, or include the standard 8-inch diagonal touchscreen infotainment system. Connectivity offerings like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Amazon Alexa built-in app, Buick Connected Services, and other in-vehicle apps keep customers connected and entertained. And the available Air Ionizer, which improves air quality within the cabin, is now paired with a Buick First air quality indicator that measures and displays the cabin's air quality on the infotainment screen. It's easy to see that the new Envision has a lot to offer everyone in the vehicle.
What I love about the new 2021 Envision is that while it builds on Buick's unique design language, it has a completely new personality. It's beautifully proportioned, looks very dynamic, even when it's not moving. When you walk up to the front of the 2021 Envision, you will first notice the Buick signature grille with horizontal bright decor bars centered around the Buick badge like an airplane wing. And compared to the previous generation, it has a lower and wider stance with more athletic proportions, which we believe will be appealing to buyers who like the sporty appearance of a car. As you take it in, you can see this is a more expressive design for Buick, with sculpted, sweeping body lines that create beautiful movements in the reflection. Combined with thick-to-thin weighted elements, the modern horizontal grille and premium lighting technology, the vehicle is designed to draw you in. Further, the premium lighting technology is featured on the entire lineup, including premium all-LED headlamps and tail lamps with custom welcome and walk-away lighting animation activated by the key fob. The effect is striking from every angle. We're also proud of the available Sport Touring package that brings a more ambitious and striking appearance to Envision, including 20-inch wheels with a dark finish, high-gloss black finishes throughout the vehicle to emphasize the agile appearance, high-gloss black paint on the vehicle lowers and the wheel arches for that premium look. And inside, the driver-centric interior includes an available Buick First 10.2-inch diagonal infotainment screen that's angled towards the driver, plus soft-touch surfaces and premium details like a dual-wing center console armrest. The 2021 Envision presents a fresh look and continues to evolve our brand. It's a truly stunning new entry in this segment.
We talk about refined performance with the Buick brand. The 2021 Envision is an outstanding example of what that phrase really means. Look under the hood and you'll see that the new Envision is equipped with an Ecotec 2-litre turbo engine. The engine is mated with an advanced 9-speed automatic transmission that utilises the newest push-pull button electric interface, as well as steering wheel mounted paddle shifts.
When you drive the 2021 Envision, you'll see how the engine's flat torque curve allows it to reach peak torque much faster, resulting in better responsiveness, faster acceleration when starting and passing, and an improved overall driving experience. It uses a twin-scroll turbocharger to reduce turbo lag and provide a more immediate response. The new Envision also provides a precise balance of ride, isolation, and responsive handling thanks to improvement like a new 5-link rear suspension and continuous damping control available on Avenue models. The continuous damping control uses sensors to monitor the road and continuously respond to the vehicle inputs, adjusting the damping on each wheel to control vehicle motions. It can be adjusted based on whether the vehicle is in touring mode or sports mode. In fact, all models come with multiple drive modes to adapt to the driver's preferences and changing road conditions. Front-wheel drive models include touring, snow and ice, and sport mode, while all-wheel drive offers touring, all-wheel drive, sport, and off-road modes. All-wheel drive models will also feature a twin-clutch system, which gives the driver superior control by independently controlling torque to each wheel based on road conditions. The system is also equipped with a disconnect feature, which helps the vehicle's fuel economy when all-wheel drive is not needed.
The Envision's balance of comfort and control is enabled by its new vehicle architecture, which drives the wheels further out and towards the corners of the vehicle, improving its stance, and it's 30% stiffer than the previous generation. A quiet cabin experience is a signature part of Buick's quiet tuning, which works to minimise road noise inside the vehicle. For the 2021 Envision, the stiffer architecture helps reduce harsh vibrations and serves as the foundation for a smooth and quiet ride. This new architecture also creates a spacious cabin with 52.7 cubic feet of cargo room behind the front row seats. We believe that the 2021 Envision slots in nicely between the Encore and the Encore GX on the small end and the Enclave on the upper end of the Buick SUV portfolio. I think customers are in for an eye-opening experience when they drive the new Envision for the first time.